Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate. Come and be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe. He's a moving kind of slow at the junction.
Hey, back again, group. Be here at Race Road in North Ridgely, Ohio. Got another eastbounder coming. This might be train 258. Not 100% sure, but here he comes. It looks like it could be. You can move along pretty good on the track too, so. Yeah, it probably is 258. Usually he's always short. There she goes. Okay, gonna see if we catch another one here at this location before Medina Supply Company decides to close the gates, lock me in here. Anyway, I've been here before. Good people here. They gave me permission to pass the park here, so I'm parked here again. So. Have a couple westbounders should be coming here this way in a little bit, so all right, we'll be right back. Hey, here comes our westbounder, one of them. Don't have an ID on him though. He announced it though, but couldn't understand what he said. So anyway, here he comes. I may get one, I don't know. Got a couple tanks coming up. Nothing listed. Look like a little bounce up and down right there. alcohol. The end is approaching. And there goes that one. Okay, gonna move on down the line here. Dyna Supply is probably going to be closing up pretty quick here, so because I seen a couple workers going by, but anyway, they do concrete products here too. Look at this home, looks like pretty doggone good quality concrete though, so anyway, you need some concrete poured in North Ridgeville, give them a call, they'll fix you right up. All right, we'll be right back at you again. Got the other westbounder coming. He's 17N. He's heading back to Clearing Yard, Chicago, Illinois. Came from Conway, Pennsylvania. Even though it shows he should be going the other way, but he's going back. Denatured alcohol in that tank. Liquefied petroleum. Nothing listed. I missed that one. That's asphalt, hot asphalt. There she go with the yellow up there. Okay, well, I think there might be an eastbounder coming though, but I haven't heard anything else. I heard something about over at Fairlane Yard, so which is down that way yonder, so I think he's crossing over on the other tracks. I'll be here at Olive Street. You want to see some dumb stuff? Look at this. Right in the middle of the tracks. Right there. Unbelievable. I don't know, I don't believe this. The traffic in Elyria is really screwed up around here. They don't even have a sign here, do not stop on the tracks like they do over on Abbey Road. So, I don't know. What are they thinking? I don't know, but should be an eastbounder coming pretty soon, so we'll be right back. Okay, rope back at you again. Been quite a bit of time here. Here's that noisy gate thing again. We got this guy coming here. We got a lady conductor aboard this time. So here he comes. Like could be coal. It's an empty coal train. Dodge rock. A rock train. Man, that's a lot of weight. There she goes. Okay, well, that's going to conclude it, though, for this episode. So, anyway, yeah, that's a lot of weight. Unless there's another one coming here. We do have another train coming. All right, let's get him. Okay, this looks like it's going to be short and sweet here, maybe. There goes that one. Hey, good way to finish the episode off. Okay, well, nice double header here at the crossing here, Olive Street, Elyria, Ohio. So, I want to put out a shout out to Mark. He was in North Ridgeville at the Route 83 dead end area though the other day, and I want to put out a shout though. He worked for Norfolk Southern though, and he's retired, so I got to give him a thumbs up for him though. He kept America moving. With that though, you always want to look and listen at these crosses though, because sometimes these gates do malfunction. If 2 trains went by though, is going to get a second chance. You don't. So always look and listen though, and bear that in mind. You ever get stuck on the crossing though, there's a blue sign right there on the crossing gate though. Call that immediately. Get everybody out of the car immediately. Every second counts. 911 is always usually too delayed. Whatever you do, try not to get the cops involved, because they're going to turn it around on you, jail you, steal your money, steal your car, providing if it survives. So hope that don't happen though. Anyway, give a thumbs up for the men and women of the railroad. They keep America moving. We'll see you next time. Wait, there's more. Just about how we're going to leave. Come another eastbounder coming, so here he comes. environmentally hazardous waste. Boy, what a backwind that sucker had. Okay, that's it. We'll see you next time. And more. Hey, that was Operation Lifesaver. How about that? Paraffin wax. We got here diesel fuel. 1993, usually diesel fuel. $20.57. I forget what that is. It's not styrene. $18.40. Ethylene oxide. We got 19 denatured alcohol, 1760. $18.32 sulfuric acid spent. Liquefied petroleum. There goes that one. Hey, cool ending. Operation Lifesaver. Okay, this is for sure gotta be it. See you next time.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.